Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, we are going to see about the NODE.JS architecture. We all know NODE.JS is an runtime environment and also it is an crash platform. From initial days, JavaScript execute only in a browser. It doesn't work in the applications like computers. So this is due to browsers only have the JS engine. JS engine is nothing but which convert the developer code into machine understandable code. So we have multiple JS engine. The most commonly used JS engine is V8 and each browser have their own JS engine like Chakra and V8 engine. Here you get to know that Node.js and V8 engine or JS engine performing same. Both are converting the developer code into machine understandable code. But what is the difference? So here these JS engines are present only in a browser, so it cannot be executed in a applications or server side. It works only in a client side. But in Node.js we can achieve both server side and client side, and it has been introduced in the 2009 Ryan Dalhi. So here you can see both browser and application can be execute the JavaScript using Node.js. So we can achieve client side and server side rendering. Next, how the Node.js is working. This is the basic architecture of Node.js. Here you can see V8 engine. So it has been taken from the Chrome browser, which has been implemented as a open source in the 2008 by Google. So Dalhi took the V8 engine and integrate the V8 engine with the libuv and certain C++ distributions, so it can the JS engine can run locally. Here I am going to explain every step one by one. First, from the application, request will be sent to the V8 engine. It will convert the JavaScript. Next, the request will go to the event loop. Event queue. So what is event queue? The main use of event queue is used to store the requests from the client and pass them sequentially to the event loop. Next, the request will share to the event loop. So the event loop receive the request from the event queue and send the response to the client, and here it will make decision where the request should be sent, whether blocking operation or non-blocking operation. So if it is going to the blocking operation, it will use the external resource and there will be a thread pooling. So the thread pool will work under the process of asynchronous operation. So no request need to wait to complete the request which is sent before itself, which advance. every request will send sequentially, and this thread pooling is working with a single thread. If the request is going to send to the non-blocking operation, it will use input output pooling. So we can call this thread pooling as a Node.js server also. The server accepts the user request, process them, and return the result to the users. Next, advantages. First one is handle request. Node.js server can efficiently handle high number of requests by employing the event queue and thread pool. Second one is single thread. There is no need to establish multiple thread because event loop process all requests one at a time. Therefore, a single thread is sufficient. Final resource. The entire process of serving requests to the Node.js server consume less memory and the server resource since the requests are handled one at a time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates on time.